Yeah. I wanna be free. For all the free birds. To all the dreamers. Okay, light the wick, ready to go. Keep the immaculate flow, already know. I'm so ahead of my time, I just rewind. My old lyrics are fresh, still on your mind. Ain't no stopping, it must be from Metropolis. Cause nowadays MCs rarely exist. You either crave the rhetoric on the radio or go online to hear me quote this. The true b-boy styles I do miss, man. I'm from an era where we all took pride. I hate to say it, but this music has a death wish. Nowadays every rapper wanna die. There was a time when this music gave birth. A death cycle reversed, replenished the earth. If I could change one thing, what would it be? I would learn to be free, so follow me. I'm not meant to be a cage bird, I wanna be free. Living solely off the fruits of creativity. See, God gave me a purpose, but evil wants it to die. I visualize the sun and a light blue sky. I don't take this for granted, in fact, it's my gift. Expressing inner feelings using one sentence. See, love is what's missing, I wish that they would get it. Instead they pushing hate, but are afraid to admit it. I'm a messenger of music, so I give you my art. I put the pen to the pad and always give you my heart. I understand it's universal, so I try to speak clear. Cause the only way to listen means you first must hear. If I can shed a little light on the dark, deep world, I will plant a bit of hope in every boy and girl. And if I touch one person through this music I shape, then I transcend the speakers with my soulful escape. I'm so free.